Hello guys, now we are going to discuss one of the important compound of boron, and that is nothing but borax. The formula for the borax can be represented in a two way, Na2B4O5OH4 times 8H2O or Na2B4O7 10H2O. This is the structure of borax. If you observe carefully, the structure of borax consists of 4 boron which are bonded by 5 bridge oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here the boron is a tetravalent, hence carries a negative charge, that is satisfied by that negative charge is neutralized by Na plus. This is the structure of borax. Now, how borax is prepared? Basically, borax is prepared mainly from a tin cal, which is a ore. The 50% of tin cal is actually made up of borax. So, by the metallurgical treatment, we can get borax. The other chemical method which involve the preparation from columenite and from boric acid. Now, in a columenite, actually it is nothing but calcium borate, which is treated with sodium carbonate, so that we are getting borax, and these are the two byproducts. One is sodium metaborate NaBO2 and calcium carbonate. These two are sodium metaborate and calcium carbonate, sodium metaborate and borax are soluble in water, while calcium carbonate forms a precipitate. Therefore, this sodium metaborate is further converted into borax by passing carbon dioxide through it, so that sodium carbonate can be recovered. Now, once we are getting borax, now this is the preparation of borax which is purified by further recrystallization. Another way for the preparation of borax is from boric acid, which is treated with sodium carbonate, so that we are getting borax. Now, after observing the structure of borax and formula for the borax, it is we can easily say that borax is a salt of weak acid and strong base. So, when a borax is hydrolyzed, this is the hydrolysis, we are getting NaOH and H2B4O7. Okay, H2B4O7. Now, this H2B4O7, which is an acid, that is further hydrolyzed to give you orthoboric acid, that is H3BO3. So, excess of H2O, excess of or other borax on dilution, okay, gives you actually boric acid. So, this reaction easily says that it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Borax on further heating, actually first it loses the water of crystallization and there is the formation of anhydrous borax, which on further heating strongly decompose to give you sodium metaborate and boric anhydride B2O3. Now, interestingly, this reaction actually we are using during a salt analysis, the qualitative analysis of cations. We are taking a platinum wire. On a platinum wire, we are making a loop. On that loop, we are putting a borax, and after heating, actually we are getting a transparent glassy bead. And the transparent glassy bead is nothing but sodium metaborate and boric anhydride. Sodium metaborate NaBO2 and boric anhydride B2O3. Now, whenever the colored salts, which may be cobalt, chromium, nickel, manganese and so on, copper. So, in that case, it is observed that they impart color to that bead, and it is because of formation of such kind of a borates. So, when a cobalt react with that glassy bead, that is the borax bead, okay, we call it the borax bead, we are getting a blue color. With chromium, it gives you a green color. With the nickel it gives a brown color, with the manganese it gives a pale violet color. Okay. Therefore, borax bead test, this is called as a borax bead test, which is used for the detection of colored cations, colored basic radicals. It is not useful for the colorless radicals. Okay. So, this is about the borax bead test. So, in a borax, what do you mean by borax bead? So, borax bead is actually nothing but mixture of sodium metaborate and boric anhydride. Okay. Now, borax when react with sodium hydroxide, it gives you sodium metaborate and H2O. When it react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives you sodium sulfate and H2B4O7. When it is react with dilute sulfuric acid, it gives you sodium sulfate and orthoboric acid, boric acid, which is further react with ethyl alcohol, so that we are getting triethyl borate. When you ignite it, you will get green H flame, and that green H flame is because of the combustion of this triethyl borate. This way, borax is a very important compound, and mainly it is used as we have seen as in a laboratory. At the same time, borax is also used in leather tanning. Also, it is used as a pesticide. Okay, so these are some of the important information about the borax. What is important over here? The structure of borax, and this is a important reaction, borax bead test. So, you may add here few more the cations. You will observe there are various colored borax bead test we are getting. Okay, that is all for the borax. We will discuss one more compound of boron, and that is nothing but boric acid. That we will see in the next session. Thank you.